Say Kids. Click here for more videos. Sentence making. Make the sentences using the given English words. Run. I love to run in the park with my friends. Jump. I jump as high as I can. Dance. Let's party and dance to the music. Sing. She sings wonderfully in the school choir. Write. Can you write the letter with markers? Read. One of my favorite pastimes is reading fairy tales. Cook. My dad loves to cook tasty pancakes for breakfast. Paint. The young artist painted a colorful sunset on the canvas. Play. Each weekend, my husband and I play saucer. Swim. They swim like a fish through the deep blue sea. Thanks for watching this video. If you like this video, please like, share and subscribe my channel. Thank you.